And now in the end, I basically worked 60 hours and I got $60. So that's $1 per hour. Literally $1 per hour, but I got a 5-star review on Upwork and we ended it on a good note. So how do you finish a contract when you don't know how to finish the job? Yeah, it's out of your control. You feel like crap. This is what happened to me, guys. Today I'm gonna tell you how I just got a 5-star review after not fully completing the job myself, but I helped the clients to get to the end point. And this job has been taking 2 months now. And here's the 5-star review. Maybe you can see right there. So this is Adrian at Timecodes Lab, and I can tell you today I've learned a lot in this job. Listen, this job was about implementing a Google Click ID capture system, and I basically took this job on. I worked with an API, and in the end we couldn't use that API to solve the problem. So what happened is, later on, after like 2-3 weeks, I was like, guys, this is not my expertise. We need to find someone who is a expert at Google Ads. Yeah. And now in the end, I basically worked 60 hours and I got $60. So that's $1 per hour. Literally $1 per hour, but I got a 5-star review on Upwork and we ended it on a good note. So my mindset was I want to provide value and I want to solve this problem for these guys. And we actually solved it with my help in the end. But to protect my time in the future and to protect your time, I would say when it's out of your control, you can literally peace out. Tell them, hey, let's end this with like a small amount. This is not my job. Go spend your money elsewhere. Yeah. $10, $20, doesn't matter. Like just change the scope on Upwork. And I should have probably done this way, way earlier. Yeah. Like probably after I see the... But the thing is, I was going deeper and deeper and deeper and trying to learn Google Ads. I was coding, like with the tag manager. I was looking at tutorials on how to edit Shopify sites. So I learned a shit ton. And where's the value in that? I don't know. But it definitely was a huge challenge and a huge stress on me. But now I can focus on the next jobs. And this is why it's also important to productize. So whenever this happens to you, I think you should do the same thing. Just try to learn as much as possible, try to provide real value and solve the problem for them. And in this case, I couldn't really, they couldn't justify paying me if the problem was not solved and I promised them to solve it within 3 days, yeah? So I overpromised and underdelivered. That's what happens in life, yeah? So anyways, hit the like and subscribe button, and yeah, whenever shit like this happens as a freelancer and you're like basically, imagine a plumber. Yeah, you go into a house, you're trying to fix the kitchen sink, there's no water at the kitchen sink, and then you go look at that pipe, everything is fine. You go look at the next pipe, everything is fine. And then deep below the house, there's probably some pipe that's broken. You got hired to fix the first pipe, and it should have been your expertise to know maybe the problem is even deeper. Yeah. So I didn't really think about that. And I went to the job and it looks like the problem was out of my expertise. Yeah. There was either too much high pressure from the city water or it was out of my control. So at that point, I should have been like, listen, I lost my time. I came here, looked at the problem. It's not mine to solve. But I went deeper. I went to the city. I talked to the city. I asked them what's the pressure, what pumps are connected to this house, etc., etc. And in the end, I got paid $1 per hour. So even with $1 per hour, I still got a good review on Upwork. I think that's the most important thing. Good reputation, good taste on people's mouth. That, in the end, in my opinion, makes a good life. I don't want to be in this life where I have bad relationships with my client. Whenever possible, I try to fix it. So have a good day and talk to you later. Bye.